Hello students, welcome to our series ISI 2026 मोस्ट प्रोबेबल कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस। इस बार हम लोग यूजीबी का 10 क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं। ठीक है, 10 क्वेश्चंस हम लोग सिलेक्ट किए हैं। एंड तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 2n फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 टू द पावर n into n फैक्टोरियल होल स्क्वायर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 by 3n plus 1 under root. This is you have to show this question. And another क्वेश्चन फंक्शनल इक्वेशन से है, पॉलिनोमियल along with functional equation solve the algebraic equations है. Another 4 number is the from number theory, and also the this is trigonometry, and this is the coordinate geometry, and that is pure trigonometry is the 7 number, and also 8 number pure trigonometry, along with the 9 is the functional equation, classical functional equations, एंड ऑल्सो नंबर 10 इज द डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन। मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस को मिक्स्ड करके लाया हूँ जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है। ओके, सो हम लोग पहला क्वेश्चंस को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी हैव टू बाय यूजिंग दिस बाय इंडक्शन मेथड आल्सो। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सो ये क्वेश्चन का वेटेज जो है मोस्टली 10 मार्क्स में रहता है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आईएसआई के लिए। सो लेट n के लिए n इक्वल टू m and it is holds good. Okay, so let pm equal to 2m factorial divided by 2 raised to the power 2m into m factorial whole square. Okay, m factorial whole square, assuming that the result holds for n equal to m, right? So then according to mathematical induction, so pm plus 1 means it should be 2m factorial divided by 2 to the power 2m into m factorial. ये फैक्टोरियल है बोल के इसमें हम लोग डायरेक्ट m plus 1 इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकते. We have to multiply 2m plus 1 divided by 2 whole into m plus 1. We should get the next term. And this element should be less than equal to 1 by 3m plus 1 to the power 1 by 2 into 2m plus 1, multiplying both the sides this quantity 2 whole into m plus 1. Okay, so then this could be less than equal to 1 by 3m plus 4 to the power 1 by 2, or it is root over. So if 2m plus 1 whole into 3m plus 4 to the power 1 by 2 is less than equal to 3m plus 1 to the power 1 by 2 into 2m plus 2, right? Or 2m plus 1 whole square whole into 3m plus 4, squaring both the sides, the less than equal to 4 times m plus 1 whole square whole into 3m plus 1. From this we get, so m is greater than equal to 0. This is valid. Okay, so जो लोग मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन प्रोसेस पढ़े हैं 11-12 में, अगर क्लासिकल प्रॉब्लम्स किए हैं उसके ऊपर, तो ये एक अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है, दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रीली. ओके, और ये आईएसआई में नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस ऐसे टाइप का यूजीबी में आता है. ओके, देन वी शुड गो फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2, it is like that. Let n be the positive integer and define f of n equal to 1 square factorial plus 2 square factorial plus 3 square factorial plus n square factorial. And find the polynomials f of n and g of n such that f of n plus 2 equal to f of n into f of n plus 1 plus g of n into f of n is greater than equal to 1 के लिए वो काम करेगा. तो ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. और इस टाइप का जो रिजल्ट है वो जेई मेन और एडवांस में भी आता है. जेई मेन तो चलेगा, पर जेई एडवांस में ये मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम में इस टाइप का कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछा जाता है. तो यू हैव टू सॉल्व और तो ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस in that way. Okay, so now we can write f of n plus 2. Okay, f of n plus 2 minus f of n plus 1, f of n plus 1 equal to n plus 2 whole square in factorial, which is equal to, we have to expand this. This is n square plus 4n plus 4 factorial. Okay, right? So f of n plus 1, f of n plus 1 minus f of n, okay, minus f of n equal to n square plus 2n plus 1 factorial. Similar way. Okay, so now we have to access f of n plus 2, n plus 2 minus f of n plus 1 equal to n square plus 4n plus 4 into n square plus 4n plus 3 up to n square plus 2n plus 2 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. Okay, so f of x should be, now my f of x equal to x square when it is changed into x. Okay, there is no problem. So x square plus 4x plus 4, x square plus 4x plus 4. So it is the one term. Okay, up to x square plus 2x plus 2 plus 1. So my g of x equal to 1 minus f of x. Okay, so now this could be proved. Okay, so next number, it is the 3 number. Again we have to go for the number 3 solution. So what is the number 3? It is solve. Okay, oh, so now from m minus 1 by m times equal to n square and m plus 1 by m equal to 4 by n. You have to eliminate the m. Eliminate m. So if it is x equal to n square, okay, so it is x square, no, it is x cube. Okay, so x cube plus 4x minus 6, 16 equal to 0. And hence we have to find n equal to plus minus root 2 and also m equal to 1 plus minus root 2. It is not a big problem for the all of ISI students. Okay, so those who are deserving to get the rank. Okay. So number 4, let P let P be a prime number. P be a prime number. We can write P equal to 30D plus R, where R is less than 30, right? Since P is prime T and R are prime each other. Okay. Also 30 and R must be prime. Okay. So this should be the prime to each other. But now prime factors of 30 are 2 होगा, 3 होगा, 5 होगा. Okay. Any number less than 30, any number prime to 2, 3 and 5 and must be a prime number if not wrong. Not one. Okay. Then we have to go for the question number 5. So we have to go for the question number 5. So question number 5 should be and that is if the sides of the triangle ABC are such that the A by 1 plus m square n square equal to B by m square n square plus equal to C by 1 minus m square whole into 1 plus n square, then prove that A equal to 2 tan inverse m by n and B equal to 2 tan inverse mn. Very classical problem and बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये प्रॉब्लम करने के टाइम में. आजकल जेई मेन और एडवांस में दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कभी नहीं पूछता है, जो कि ओलंपियाड लेवल में और आईएसआई सीएमआई बच्चे करते रहते हैं. ठीक है. फ्रॉम द गिवन कंडीशन वी हैव टू रेशियो इक्वल टू के. सब ले जाएंगे तो के लेने के बाद ए इक्वल टू के टाइम्स होल इंटू 1 प्लस एम स्क्वायर एन स्क्वायर आया. ठीक है. एंड मेरा बी कितना आएगा? सो बी शुड बी बी इक्वल टू के टाइम्स एम स्क्वायर प्लस एन स्क्वायर आया. ओके. एंड सी शुड बी सी इक्वल टू के टाइम्स 1 माइनस एम स्क्वायर होल इंटू 1 प्लस एन स्क्वायर. ठीक है. फिर के इज कांस्टेंट, रेशियो है तो के कांस्टेंट हम लोग यूज करेंगे. के इज एनी के इज ए कांस्टेंट. ओके. कोई भी कांस्टेंट है. So we know that the half angle formula tan a by 2 in the properties of triangle. This chapter belongs to the properties of triangle. S minus b, a है तो पी सी का करेंगे, ये नीचे रहेगा, एस माइनस सी होल डिवाइडेड बाय एस होल इंटू एस माइनस ए। ओके, इसका रूट ओवर इक्वल टू एम बाई एन। क्या होता है, जो जेई मेन का सिलेबस, जेई एडवांस का सिलेबस, आईएसआई का सिलेबस, ओलंपियाड का सिलेबस एंड सीएमआई का सिलेबस, ये सबका सिलेबस अलग अलग होता है। ओके, ये सबका सिलेबस अलग अलग में होता है। और इसको कभी मतलब कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि सिलेबस वारी करेगा, जस्ट लाइक द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर हर कोई एग्जाम में आता है, वो सिलेबस मोस्टली सेम रहता है। ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू take the a by 2. So a by 2, what is my a by 2? So a by 2 should be tan inverse m by n. Okay, now we can write it is as the a equal to 2 tan inverse m by n. We can write here. Okay, and so that um, so that b by 2, tan b by 2, ओके, tan b by 2 इक्वल टू b है तो c, s माइनस सी होल इंटू s माइनस ए ओवर s होल इंटू s माइनस b अंडर रूट इट शुड बी mn. ओके, सो that's prove this also, and this is a very good classical questions. You have to solve this. Okay, now we have to go for the question number 6. It is tangents are drawn from the point x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the circle. It's a center at the origin and radius is r naught. Prove that the area of the triangle formed by them and their chord of contact is r square whole into r1 square plus y1 square minus r square to the power 3 by 2 divided by x1 square plus y1 square. Okay. So this question's little bit difficult. It is not little bit imagination. You have to draw the necessary diagram. Otherwise, you have to prove this. Okay. Now we have to try this question. So equation of the common curve. First of all, partly you have to start. So equation of the common curve, of the common equation of the common chord is x1 plus y1 minus r square y1 minus r square equal to 0. Then if we draw a perpendicular, if we draw a perpendicular from P upon the say it is a, then Pm should be modulus of x1 minus plus y1 minus r square divided by x1 square plus y1 square under root. Okay, this is the perpendicular distance. Now we have to write it is as the x1 square equal to y1 square minus r square divided by x1 square plus y1 square root over. Okay. Now we have to show that the AM square equal to OA square minus OM square from the construction, that we can write it is the R square minus R to the power 4, okay, divided by x1 square plus y1 square, where O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, means it is origin. O is the center of circle, okay, and which is known as the origin because it is the x square plus y square equal to r square. Now use supposed to be, this is the AB equal to 2 times of AM, okay, and area of triangle PAB. Triangle PAB equal to, obviously this is half of AB into PM. Okay. Now we have to get the result. Plug all these values of x1 square plus y1 square minus r square to the power 3 by 2 whole divided by x1 square plus y1 square. Okay. Now, question number 7. Question number 7. Also, I should give you the hints that use 2 cos square pi by 2n equal to cos pi by 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1 repeatedly starting with n equal to 3. Okay. You can find the result. Okay. Then hints for the question number 8 also, small hints also given to the students. Okay. So, first of all, you have to use the arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric, right? And 2 to the power sin x, 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x, 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x should be arithmetic mean, geometric mean. It is should be 2 to the power sin x into, means it should be plus. There is no problem. Try to understand this point. So it is the under. Okay. So when it is in the form of sin x plus cos x, always ये एक बहुत पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है, जेई एडवांस में और जेई मेन में आता रहता है, और आईएसआई जैसा और सीएमआई जैसा क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में भी आता रहता है. √2 मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको 1/√2 into sin x plus 1/√2 cos x. It can be converted into the cos sin both. So now it is required that the √2 into sin pi by 4 plus x. Okay, right? So this can be happen. And which is greater than equal to minus √2, because it is the sin range is that. So hence 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x is greater than equal to 2 times of under root of 2 to the power minus √2, which is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 1/√2. Okay. So this is also a very good questions. And for question number 9, we have to go for the questions again. I should recall that questions also. 9 number, it is the pure functional equations. This type of questions are asking in the nowadays, it is the very classical questions for the Olympiads level. Okay, International Math Olympiad and INMO and RMO and also IOQM. Also, functional equation is the very good for this type of examination. Okay, now we have to plug the values of the for x equal to y and equal to 0. If we put this, so f of 0 equal to 2 times of f of 0 minus 1, which is equal to, so we have to plug this and we get this result that the f of 0 should be 1. Okay. Now we have to uh, write the differentiation formula. Differentiable formula f dash x should be written as limit h tends to 0. Okay, limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h, very simple formula, minus f of h, f of x divided by h. This is the right hand RHD. Okay. So now, according to this functional equation, this should be converted into limit h tends to 0. F of x, okay, plus f of h, okay, plus 2x into h minus 1 minus f of x, minus f of x, 2h minus x h minus 1 divided by h, okay. Some family member called to me. Okay, sorry for that. 2x plus limit h tends to 0. Okay. F of h minus f of 0 divided by h. Now f dash x. Okay. Now f dash x. Now f dash x should be 2x plus f dash of 0. Okay. So which gives us f of x equal to x square plus x cos alpha plus f of 0. Okay. So this is the question number 9. Now it is the question number 10. Again, the calculus of the from definite integration. It is minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3 x to the power 4 divided by 1 minus x to the power 4 into cos inverse x. Okay. So we have to do in the definite integration, and also integration must be minus a2 plus a, this King's rule or even function we can apply. Now we have to write as the cos inverse 2x over 1 plus x square. Okay. 2x cos inverse 1 plus x square equal to, we can write that it is the pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Minus 2 tan inverse x. Hence, my integration should be pi by 2 times integration of, it is minus 1 by root 3 to upper limit, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 x to the power 4 by 1 minus x to the power 4 into dx. Okay. Minus 2 integration of minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3 x to the power 4 over 1 minus x to the power 4 and tan into tan inverse x dx. Okay, tan inverse x dx. Okay. Now, but we know that x to the power 4 divided by 1 minus x to the power 4 along with tan inverse x is an odd function. Is an odd function. Okay, is an odd function of x. So its integration should be 0. Okay, so integration equal to minus pi. What is odd function? You have to study in the class 11 also, in the chapter of functions and also in trigonometry. So it is 0 to 1 by root 3, 2 times you cancel out. So x to the power 4 divided by 1 minus x to the power 4 into dx. Okay, so degree also same. We have to solve this as minus pi by 2 whole into pi by 3 minus 2 by root 3 plus log root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. So ये मैं कहाँ से लाया? So first of all you have to put 2x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 4 minus 1. It is should be 2 minus 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 minus x square. So इतना इंटीग्रेशन अभी इसमें टाइम नहीं है कि तुम लोग नीट बीट करोगे, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय सजेशन इज दैट क्वेश्चंस लिखो, सॉल्व करो. मेरा काम है कि क्वेश्चन तुम लोग के सामने लाया हूं कि दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी इंपोर्टेंट फॉर द ISI UGB. Okay, 10 mark questions. Okay, you have to write in the question paper neat bit concepts. Okay, neat bit formulas required because it is the 10 mark questions, and minimum 4 questions. If you are successfully solve the 4 questions, you got selected in this year. Okay, so thank you. And my sincere request to all of you to subscribe my channel and also like and also comment. Thank you.